All right, let's talk chain link fencing. You see it everywhere, but what's the big deal, really?
So why do so many people trust this as their first line of defense? Let's find out.
Well, for one, it's about solid security and clear boundaries, without that premium price tag.
It's a really practical choice. You get strength, durability, and you barely have to touch it.
But hey, it's not just one size fits all. There are tons of options out there. See, you can go from a basic home fence to something with barbed wire for high security. But here's the thing, for any fence to last, the installation has to be absolutely perfect.
This 4-step process makes sure every single detail is nailed down before anyone starts digging.
For instance, posts can't be more than 10 feet apart. That's key for a stable framework. And every single one of those posts gets anchored in concrete. That's what keeps it from leaning.
And that concrete has to be strong. We're talking 20 to 25 megapascals, so it doesn't crack.
This is why pro installation matters. For homeowners like Sarah, it means peace of mind for her dogs.
Okay, but what if you need more? For high-risk areas, you can definitely level up the security.
Things like barbed wire and secure gates are huge deterrents. They protect assets and control access.
And the best part? All that durability doesn't mean a ton of work for you later on.
Seriously, just check it once a year and maybe give it a wash. That's pretty much it.
So is your property's boundary really built to last? It's something we're thinking about, right?